Hello guys, welcome back to Greek and Simple. I'm Theodora, I'm your Greek friend, and here in Greek and Simple we are making Greek recipes and not only. Today we're gonna make a holiday recipe, but before that you must subscribe to the channel so you're gonna watch more delicious recipes and like and comment and help this channel to grow. Yeah, because that's how I'm gonna make more recipes for you guys and you're gonna enjoy them with family, friends and anybody you like, or even by yourself. Yeah, why not? So today we're making a holiday recipe. It's really delicious. I really like it, and it's not only like a holiday recipe, you can even make it like, I don't know, for Saturday, Sunday, like a family meal. And it's very simple with simple ingredients and very easy to put together, but really festive. You're gonna love it. So let's go and see what are we gonna do today. First thing we're gonna do is prepare our ingredients, so we won't waste time to wash and clean and everything. So I already done that, and here I'm gonna show you how simple it's gonna be. It's really simple. So I have a tray and it's here, and I'm gonna bake it in this turkey oven bag. It's really good because it keeps all the moist inside, so the chicken is not gonna get dry and everything is gonna go super tender. So first thing, I'm gonna cut the asparagus because they're really not eatable from this end, so I'm gonna cut it right here. Perfect. So I'm gonna grab these guys and throw them in my oven bag. Second thing I'm gonna do is to cut my onions in thick rings. Okay, now I'm gonna throw the onion to the oven bag. I'm throwing the onion. Next thing is I'm gonna cut the lemon in rings. We want that lemon flavor to be all over. So I'm using all parts of the lemon, and I'm gonna use also some lemon juice for the sauce. Now I'm going to cut the big garlics like in a smaller, like in half. If your garlic cloves are not so big like mine, don't cut them in half, put them as this. So now I'm gonna cut in half these potatoes. If they're really small, you don't need to cut them in half. As I said, I like them to be really tender and like melting in the mouth. These are small, I don't need to cut them. Okay, ta-da, ready. I'll put this on the side. Bring my tray in front. Yes. And what am I gonna do is I'm going to add some salt, some olive oil, like 3-4 tablespoons, but don't add much because it's spicy. If you don't like spiciness in the food, you don't need to add much. Okay, next thing is a fun part. So since everything is here, I'm gonna mix them everything really well, like this. But be careful, don't break the bag. Woohoo! Now it's everything mixed perfectly. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna make some space for the chicken now. Now I have somewhere to place my chicken. So for the chicken, what are we gonna do? I'm gonna salt and pepper to the tray, and there I'm gonna place some garlics in his belly. So in his belly I'm adding the garlic cloves and couple of the lemons that I have in my tray. So what I'm gonna do is to mix some honey, some mustard, and some lemon juice. So here I have the honey. It's a Greek honey. It's really delicious. I really like Greek honey. I don't use anything else. I don't know, I feel like Greek ingredients, they're really yummy. In the honey, I'm gonna squeeze some lemons. Now I'm gonna add the mustard. I'm gonna mix this. Here we add like 1 to 2 spoons of flour, but remember to mix them really well. Okay, I think that's enough. It's so much fun. I'm ridiculous sometimes and silly. It's fine. I think it's ready. Let me check it out. To the chicken. And around. Last thing we're gonna do is to use our thread and tie this bag. And bake it. Now, with my scissor, I'm gonna make one little hole in the bag so some of the air will escape. Just that. Now it's ready to go bake. Now, since the food is baking, I'm gonna set up the table and I'm gonna show you how. Where in this link up here. Click that link and you're gonna see how I'm gonna set up the table. It's the new channel, it's the Chilko Design channel that I'm gonna start today. With this recipe, I'm starting new channel and I'm super excited because I'm gonna share some decoration ideas and some decoration tips and, you know, design and all this wow stuff. And I'm super excited, so click that link and you're gonna see how to set up the table beautifully with the stuff that you already have at home. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, for liking, subscribing, and all these nice things that you do. And they're helping this channel to grow. And I'm gonna make more recipes, more delicious, yummy recipes for you, your friends, your family, and all the people that you love. And thank you so much. Until next video, many kisses and take care.